Ehang is an intelligent AAV technology company. Inspired by dreams and driven by innovation, the world's first autonomous aerial vehicle was successfully created. Ehang AAV, a globally recognized product, can be used in tourism, medical rescue, logistics, and air transportation. A new era of urban air mobility has started. Rain or wind, day or night, we've never halted our testing work. People-oriented and safety first, we've created the world's first AAV command and control center to accurately monitor the data from Ehang AAV and complete remote route control. We've worked together with global partners in Netherlands and Qatar to pilot the 5G network-connected AAV flight demonstrations and explore the future world's digital sky. AAV's one success after another has convinced us that the air taxi is within our reach. The sky ceases to unattainable. All of yesterday's visions will be our shared tomorrow. Every second counts in urban development. Our mission to guard this process shall suffer no more delay. Ehang arms its AAVs with different task devices to create ground-sky linkage platform, enabling convenience for traditional industries by providing firefighting, transportation, water conservancy, environmental protection, security, and news reporting with the innovative and intelligent aerial platform solutions. Ehang's fully networked management of its Smart City Command and Control Center has 5 leading functions, including monitoring, dispatching, controlling, alerting, and recording. The high-speed communication network makes AAV's distributed deployment possible. Wherever you are, AAVs with the Sky Eyes can reach everywhere. The AAV puts wings on logistics. Technology brings infinite convenience to people's lives. Ehang accumulates technologies to create smart AAV logistics solutions. Partnering with Donghoi Super Species, Ehang has opened the world's first store with AAV delivery service, enabling the upstream and downstream customers in the logistics, retail, and e-commerce fields to flying to a more open, intelligent, and efficient air logistics era. Drawing upon its technical prowess in AAV hardware and software technologies, Ehang launched the AAV Swarm Performance Service in June 2016. Since then, stunning shows performed by Ehang AAVs have lit up the skies throughout China and broken world records time and time again, thanks to the extraordinary capabilities of our autonomous flight control system and highly accurate in-flight positioning. One person can control thousands of AAVs simultaneously. Soaring synergy of technology and art in the sky. With years of experience and innovation, Ehang has solidified itself as a partner in the AAV industry. Ehang has dedicated itself to establishing an intelligent and connected aerial ecosystem to make the world smarter. That's not only a possibility, that's our mission.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy, won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you